Hi everybody, today we're another busy day at the spa. I just thought I'd give you a quick tour of the place. As you can see behind me is all Sian's threads, wools, cottons, everything that she does for repair. Going out into the main room. Sian's shouting watch, doesn't realise what I'm doing. So we've got a few rugs there in the corner to clean, we've got all these down here. And that one. And then we've got a rug in the pit. That one's being cleaned at the moment, it's just been rinsed, ready to go in the big spinner. That's the big spinner machine. And then we've got Sian here doing her repairs. It's a big rug, she's basically taking the end of the rug off. It's down there. And now she's putting a nice little fringe on, aren't you, Sian? Tedious work, pulling all them tufts out to create. Can you see that? No, that's Sian's coat. There we go, there's the fringe. Not fringe. Hello, Sian.
Hello, that's up my nostril.
I know, we've got one in the drying room ready. Well, that's going to be full by the end of the day, so I better get cracking, otherwise I'll get shouted at by the boss. See you later.